Morning, everyone. We got a couple of names running this morning here, and we're gonna take a look at APHA. This is one of the upgrades from Benzinga, and it seems like Jefferies, some analysts at Jefferies initiated a coverage on this company, and the ratings went to a buy rating. And this company also has news related with the CBD and cannabis market today. So it's getting a little bit of momentum this morning. Another company that has news with CBD related, as you can see here, it popped up yesterday, had a pretty nice couple of candles, and it picked up some momentum yesterday, and still getting a little bit of action pre-market today, like marijuana and cannabis related news today as well as AAC. So I'm gonna keep this one on watch and see how it reacts. Another company that I'm running this morning through my screens, keeping it on watch, is DVAX. And the reason why I have it is because although the target to $19 price target was actually cut to 13, still they kept outperform graded by the analysts. So I think institutions and all those type of companies, what they call smart money, they're gonna keep an eye on these things, these companies, and so I'm gonna keep it on watch, see how it reacts during the day. It's a company that went public not too long ago. As you can see here, popped up yesterday, very close to market close here. Pretty nice surge from 1487 to 1595. So a pretty nice run up there for those who traded it. So I'm gonna keep an eye on it. It's been very active in the last couple of days. I'll definitely keep an eye on this. And the other company is OTLK, and it's been running. So I'm gonna keep the stocks on watch, see how market reacts. Getting a little bit of steam pre-market. Thank you for listening.